Hello guys, this is your teacher Nicholas, and today we are going to study second and third conditional. And let's start with the second conditional. So the second conditional is used to talk about events that are unlikely to happen in the future. El segundo condicional se utiliza para imaginarse unas situaciones que podrían pasar, ¿ok? For example, if I had money, I would travel more. Si yo tuviera plata, yo viajaría más. Okay? Let's see other example. If I asked Susan out, would she accept? Si le pregunto a Susan que salgamos, ella aceptaría. Now pay attention to the structure of the sentence when it's an interrogative sentence and when it's an affirmative sentence. Okay? Let's continue. And I am going to explain to you the structure of the sentence. Now pay attention because we have the if, that is obligatory with the conditionals. Then we have the subject or the person. Then we have the past simple, the sentence in simple past. And the subject, we have the auxiliary verb would. And we have the verb, the normal verb, the verb in infinitive, that is a normal verb, okay, with no conjugation. And let's remember that it's important that when we use simple past, it also involves the verb to be in past. Do you remember the verb to be in past? Yes, it's was and were. But in the second conditional, we are only going to use were even for the third person, okay? So the third person involves were too, okay? And another important aspect for you to remember is that we can use would or we can use could. Could or would. Both are possible, okay? Let's see these examples. So if I were invisible for one day, I could play tricks on my friends. Si yo fuera invisible por un día, yo podría hacer travesuras a mis amigos. Okay? If he weren't so stubborn, he would accept he was wrong. Si él no fuera tan terco, él aceptaría que estaba erróneo o que estaba mal. Okay, another example, if she were a good friend, she would help me. Okay, si ella fuera buena amiga, ella me ayudaría. Okay, remember the auxiliary verb would and the verb help is in normal. The verb help normal. Okay, so remember that we have she, that is third person, we have he, that is third person, but we use the verb to be in past, and that is were, weren't in negative. Okay, let's continue. And here we have that it's not important, it's not obligatory to always start with if, so we can change it and the meaning is still the same, ¿ok? Entonces, no siempre la oración tiene que empezar con if. Podemos cambiarlo de acuerdo a la coma, ¿listo? Entonces, por ejemplo, if I ate less, I would lose weight. Si yo comiera menos, yo perdería peso, ¿ok? O podemos empezar por acá. Y I would lose weight if I ate less. Yo perdería peso si comiera menos. ¿Ok? So, el significado no cambia si cambiamos el orden de la oración. Pero presten atención siempre a la coma. Si empezamos con if, terminamos la primera oración lleva coma. Pero si empezamos con la segunda parte, que es would, con el condicional, la oración no lleva coma. Okay, let's continue with the usages. ¿Para qué utilizamos el segundo condicional? Entonces se utiliza el segundo condicional para situaciones en las que em, el hablante considera que es poco probable que sucedan en el futuro, ¿ok? Que es poco probable que sucedan en el futuro. Situaciones que son poco probables que sucedan en el futuro. Entonces, por ejemplo, if I became president, I would change many things. Si yo me volviera presidente, yo cambiaría muchas cosas. Another example is, if I saw Madonna, I would scream, ¿ok? Si yo viera a Madonna, yo gritaría, ¿ok? La otra forma de utilizar el segundo condicional es para situaciones que no son ciertas, ¿ok? Que no son ciertas. Por ejemplo, if I had more time, I would take up a sport. Si yo tuviera tiempo, yo practicaría un deporte, ¿ok? If you spoke up, I'd hear you. Si hablaras más duro, yo te escucharía. Let's remember that this is the contraction for I would, okay? I would is the contraction, okay? Let's continue with the third usage, con el tercer uso del segundo condicional, que es para dar consejos a alguien, ¿ok? Poniéndonos en los zapatos del otro. Entonces, si fuera tú, si yo fuese tú, ¿ok? If I were you, if I were you, ¿ok? So, if I were you, I'd say yes. I'd say yes. Si yo fuera tú, diría que sí. Or, if I were you, I wouldn't invite her. Si yo fuera tú, no la invitaría. Her, for she, okay? Very good. So we finished the second conditional. Let's continue with the third conditional. Let's continue with the third conditional. And the third conditional, it is used when you think about past situations that did not occur and imagine what the results would have been different, okay? Remember that we use the third conditional for situations that you can imagine could have been different, okay? Por situaciones que pudieron haber sido diferentes en el pasado o para expresar arrepentimiento por cosas que ya hiciste, okay? So, for example, if you had put yeast, the cake would have risen, ¿ok? Si hubieras agregado levadura, el pastel hubiera crecido, ¿ok? Another example we have is, if I had asked you, would you have helped me? Si yo te hubiera preguntado, ¿me hubieras ayudado? ¿Ok? Now let's see the structure of the sentence. So we have if, that is obligatory with the conditionals. Then we use past perfect, okay? Remember that when we use the past perfect, the verb is in past participle, okay? And we use the auxiliary would, the auxiliary verb would. Then we have, and the verb in past participle, okay? For example, let's see some examples. If I had remembered it was your birthday, I would have bought you a present, okay? Remember that we can use would, or we can use could, or we can use might, okay? So instead of the auxiliary verb, okay? Would, could, or might, okay? So let's go back with the examples again. If I had remembered it was your birthday, I would have bought you a present. Si yo hubiera recordado que este era tu cumpleaños, yo te hubiera comprado un presente, un regalo, ¿ok? Other example we have, if I had saved my money, I could have gone on holiday. Si yo hubiera ahorrado mi dinero, Yo hubiera podido irme de vacaciones. Okay, let's continue. This example, if we had had time, we might have gone to the beach, ¿ok? Si yo tuviera más tiempo, o si yo tuviera tiempo, yo podría ir a la playa, ¿ok? Podría. O yo hubiera podido ir a la playa. Okay, let's continue. So, why do we use the third conditional? ¿Para qué utilizamos el tercer condicional? Entonces lo utilizamos para referirnos a situaciones en el pasado que nunca sucedieron e imaginamos que los resultados hubieran podido ser diferentes. Por ejemplo, if I had had famous parents, I would have had an amazing life. Si yo hubiera tenido padres famosos, yo hubiera tenido una vida famosa o una vida increíble. If I had helped me, if you have helped me, I would have failed the exam. I wouldn't have failed the exam. Si tú me hubieras ayudado, yo no hubiera perdido el examen. ¿Ok? Yo no hubiera perdido el examen. The other usage, el otro uso que utilizamos, es para expresar arrepentimiento, como les hablaba. Entonces, por ejemplo, if I'd, remember this is the contraction for would. Si yo hubiera trabajado más duro, yo podría obtener un ascenso. If I'd worked harder, I'd had gotten a promotion. Remember that we use the verb in past participle, okay? If I'd been careful, I wouldn't have cut myself. Si yo hubiera sido más cuidadoso, yo no me hubiera cortado. Yo no me hubiera cortado. Okay? Remember that we use the third conditional to express remorse, arrepentimiento, and for imagining situations that could have been better. Okay? Para situaciones que hubieran podido ser mejor. Okay? Let's see, and we will keep practice on this with more exercises in class. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment.